Okay, so now it is dry, the first layer, and it looks cool with those little sailboats, which will be remaining white, and the little sun there in the background, the bright sky. Oh, what a lovely day to go sailing. So now I will be doing another wash, and this time I'm going to take into consideration that I want some white clouds. So this time I'm going to make it really wet on the top. And I've mixed my paints down here. I've taken some of this, put it in there with water from my measuring cup. And this bluey green, put it in there. And the water adds to it, makes it lighter, a lighter color, tints it. So here we go. So we're going to start out with clean brushes and take our sky blue and leave spaces for, we're going to leave some gaps for the clouds. Experimenting. Okay, here we go. It's still a wash. So we go down step by step and we pull the edge, it's called. And then I'm leaving a spot for clouds here. And I pull along that edge. Ooh, a deep cerulean blue sky. You have to have clouds for sailing, right? Any shape you can think of, probably. There's been a cloud that shape. Oh, see, I backed up there. All right, so then, washing brush. And to do a wet in wet technique, I take my water. So I have another cup here of fresh, clean water. I'm going to drop it here, like really loose. Where I left the cloud, because I want that to be cloudy looking. Let's see. Lots of water, always filling your brush. Loading your brush. And if you get a drip somewhere you weren't expecting, well, that's the thing about watercolor. You have to just go with it and leave it and wait and see how it dries. Want more water up here. Wet in wet. Okay, around the sun. Okay, and then down below. Here we go. This is going to be fun. Taking our dark blue and dab this on a paper towel anytime I want to dry it off. Fill up the brush and then pull the edge. Oh, it dripped. That's okay. We're kind of doing a bit of a gradation. Oh, yeah. And our plan is to not do more than about 3 layers, if we can help it, to keep the colors nice and fresh. I want it a little darker at the bottom, in the deep blue sea. As I pull that edge, down to the bottom. My paper is starting to warp a little. That's okay. Whoop. And this time, once again, we're going to let it dry.